Hi you all, how are you all doing today? Let's go straight to the tutorial of how I achieve this paddle pop style you are seeing on the video. I will tell you all the details it takes for me to achieve this paddle pop with the silver bead on it. If you like it, just watch. Keep on watching, you're gonna enjoy the tutorial. She says she doesn't want too much braids on her hair. I did 3 parts at the back because she doesn't want it to be too bulky, that I shouldn't pat it tiny. So you guys can see how I'm patting it. I didn't pat it tiny. Try not to braid the boss braid too tight from the root, because when you're trying to pull out with crochet, it's not gonna be too hard for you to pull it out. And another thing is, as you guys can see at the back of her hair, I did 3 braids so that the puddle paws will be just straight at the back. Braiding hair color one bistro 27. A lot of people prefer to use kinky Mali hair, but my client came with Galorambi and Ras African color hair. It came out looking so fluffy. If you're trying this hair for the first time and you want it to come out looking so puffy, all you need to do is to make sure that the braiding hair you're gonna put through the natural hair is gonna be a big pieces of strand, so that the hair will still cover your natural hair, and at the end you achieve the fluffy look. For the beginners that will be confused of how to part the hair, just part it the way you part your regular boss braid. For my client, she says she wants a middle part, a center part, so I did a center part for her. You can still do a side part any way you want to do it, it will still come out nice. After I finished the crochet, I did take a little strand and tie it on the root, tie from the root like you are doing a traditional African hairstyle. I tie it to hold it from the root, and after that I added a rubber band to make it to look tight, and I start with this tie. that you have enough rubber band, and the rubber band you're gonna use is the ones that can easily cut. And after that, if you don't like how the puff look, you can use your hand to pull the hair out a little so that the puff will look more obvious. added bit to the hair, and also make sure to trim out the end of the hair so that the hair will look so even. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. See you in my next video. Bye.